Don't hate me, but it is an absolutely beautiful day here in Florida. So I'm sitting outside. It's a little blown out because it's so sunny and nice outside. But the important stuff right here is in focus. And this is a brand new kit that I have from Drill Brush. I do need to tell you they provided it to me, but with no instructions on what to say. But I have used a couple of their other kits before. And the way this makes your life easy is crazy. So a couple things you want to have. You want to have a good drill with a nice fresh battery. You put those two together. You got power for any project you want to do. So this kit is particularly diverse and specified. Can I say that in one sentence? This is their soft brush kit, which is great for things like carpeting, upholstery, glass, the wheels of your car, that kind of stuff. Let me show you. It comes with a variety of different sizes, right? It comes like with this large one, which would be great for cleaning tile, that kind of stuff. This, you could just look at it in 2 seconds. You know, this would be perfect for like a car wheel, all those kind of things. They're different sizes of the same thing. But the thing which is really a little uniquely different about this is, number one, it comes with this nice long extension. How cool is that? Oh, look at that. That is a nice long extension. And then, cool thing that is a little different about this kit than other kits is it comes with these great pads. So let's put this on here. So this has Velcro on the back, and then you have a variety of scrubbing pads, which this would be so cool. So this is a little bit coarser, this one here. This would be great for cleaning up brick, siding, that kind of stuff. Like if it has like a little mildew, little dirt to it, you need to polish it up. That's gonna be great for that. If you need to clean something that has a little more of a polish to it, like maybe gel coat on a boat or something like that, or fiberglass, this blue one is perfect. So if you need to polish up some glass or maybe even like tile on the floor or something like that, it lost a little bit of its luster, this white one would be great for that. Check this out. We all know what this is, right? You gotta wax the car, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, right? This is a nice soft foam pad for putting on polishes and that kind of stuff. In the end, you could really handle so many jobs with this one kit. I am a huge consumer and user of Scotch-Brite. And look at this, we now have mechanical advantage with a Scotch-Brite type material. That is super cool. That by itself is worth the whole kit, but being able to clean your car wheels, upholstery, glass, all that's also so cool. Hope this was helpful. I gotta go clean some stuff. I'll see you next time.